Hello friends, today we are sharing a super easy and delicious snack recipe. Let's start with 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, 2/3 cup of chopped onion, that's about 75 grams, 1 cup of boiled corn kernel, that's about 165 grams, half cup of chopped tomato, 70 grams, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, that's about half a lemon, and 1 chopped green chilli. Guys, can you believe it? Each pack used in this recipe costs just ₹5. I have taken fried moong dal, Shing Bhujia, Aloo sev, Farali Chevdo, Tikha Mitha mix, and Chana dal.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now take a bowl and add corn kernels, chopped onion, chopped tomato, chopped green chilli, now we'll add moong dal, Shing Bhujia, Chana dal, Farali Chevdo, Tikha Mitha mix, and Aloo sev. Then add 1/4 teaspoon Chaat Masala, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, coriander leaves, and lemon juice. Now mix everything well. And our Chatpata corn snack is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!